Now we are going to create our last table, which is named as teachers. So teacher's ID must be an integer and it would be set to not null, and it would be set to auto increment. So now we would use two primary keys because we must need a faculty ID and the faculty, because the faculty members teaches the specific courses, and the course ID as well, because courses are taught by the faculty members, and the semester in varchar, which would be set to not null and academic year, and primary key would be teacher's ID. And now I am just going to copy this and paste that into the SQL query box, and it is all okay. Now I have created the all of the tables. Now I would just insert the records into all of the tables, and I have written the queries, and I would be copying that queries and pasting that into the SQL box, and the record would be inserted. I would teach you the both way of inserting the records. So first of all, I am just going towards the SQL approach. So just wait for my next video.